The Dvija Art Gallery is located in a 128-year-old bungalow with an architectural charm that lends to the works of art within. A book release and film exhibition on India's renowned Cubist artist Bharat S. Rajpal was held at the Dvija Art Gallery in Bengaluru. Bharat Rajpal, popularly known as the Picasso of India, is no longer with us, but the paintings he has left behind indicate his presence with a great hint. The exhibition and sale will continue till the 18th of this month.
The art curator of the Dvija Art Gallery, and right now we are having an exhibition dedicated to Bharat Rajpal. The exhibition has started and has been going on for a week. It will continue until the 18th of August, and the exhibition unfolds the different prospects of Bharat's life, and coming around here we can look at his works, the kind of work that he has done in his entire lifetime, and we see the different aspects of his life with the show as well. So I hope you all come to the exhibition and feel his presence.
So who is response here? How is response?
Until now, we opened with an inaugural ceremony. We also had a book launch, and we also had a website launch that tells more about Bharat Rajpal and his artworks. And we had like a huge crowd and gatherings of friends and family and admirers of Bharat Rajpal.
Bharat was a nephew, an abstract cubist artist, very passionate for art and a copywriter of high caliber. I would like to portray his life in a few lines. एक ऐसा गुरूर था, एक ऐसा जुनून था, इस शख्स में ऐसा फितूर था जो रात रात भर जागकर इस आग को हवा देता था और कुछ ऐसा पेश करता था जो एक अजूबे के शक्ल में निखर के आता था। ये आग जो वक्त से पहले बुझ गई, लेकिन ऐसी चिंगारी छोड़ गई जो सदियों तक सुलगती रहेगी। वो जानकार एक फनकार था, लिखने में भी माहिर था, इश्क था उसे अपने इल्म से, मोहब्बत थी उसे अपने कलम से। आखिर में वो ये कह गया कि मुझे किसी से कोई सिला नहीं, मुझे किसी से कोई गिला नहीं। मैं तो चला एक ऐसे सफ़र पर जिसकी मंजिल का शायद किसी को पता नहीं।
He was a boy, terribly gifted artist. At the age of 2, he started scribbling, and when he was the time for him to go out and play, he used to sit and scribble and do the drawings. He has received many exemplary awards, notably the PhD from US. Bharat, a creative genius, my son, a caring, obedient and adorable dear child. In the depths of our grief, we take the proud yet grief-stricken parents embark on a journey to celebrate the life and remembrance of our beloved son. It is a challenge for us parents to find equilibrium and peace of mind to conquer the trials that lay ahead. Bharat's artistic odyssey started at the age of 2. His drawing and scribbling became his passion. Our joy knows no bound as he blossomed into an all-rounder in performing the creative art. He was a writer, creator and painter par excellence, and each piece of his creation has emotion and passion. He called me his lighthouse encyclopedia of facts. I am proud father of him. He achieved so much. He bagged all the visual art awards.
ಹಲೋ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಅಂತ. ಹೀಗೆ ದ್ವಿಜ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಭರತ್ ರಾಜ್ಪಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಮೊದಲ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಾ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಹೇಗೆ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ತರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಅವ್ರ ಆರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಇನ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ರಾಜ್ಪಾಲ್, my son. I am Mandana Rajpal. Dr. Bharat Rajpal, my son, the Indian cubist artist, born in Bangalore, India. Those whom the gods love die young. This is what Lord Byron said. This is one of his masterpieces, which called Guernica. He has brought in one point perspective in this, articulated in such a way that perspective has been put back, namely one point perspective. Everything converges into one vanishing point.
Who were criticizing him just playing with the brush and paints all day. There is a saying that the pen is mightier than the sword. But in his case, his brush was so powerful, he spoke everything and gave a firm reply to the critics. And these are the awards that his brushes have achieved.
Artistic journey started at the age of 2. Bohemian, a person as an artist or writer, a free-spirited, open-minded thinker. That's who Bharat Rajpal was. A Bangalore-based artist specializing in abstract cubism, surrealism, art. Bharat always has been on a quest, always searching for discovery and invention. His Archimedes moment. He had a penchant to creatively break on through to the other side and come up with something new, novel and jaw-dropping and unorthodox. Bharat, a quick wit, clever mix, passionate about his art, sensitive, adorable, creative genius, enriching the world with the strokes of his brush. Bharat, a prodigy. Being an ideator, visualizer and a copywriter, it was an added advantage that gave him leverage, helping him on his lateral journey to ideate, create and invent. He carved a niche for himself in terms of creating new art styles, signature art styles, different from a lot of artists around the world. Bharat possessed the hallmarks of high intelligence, extraordinary creativity, knowledge, intellect, intuition, linguistic proficiency, a keen sense of humor, and boundless imagination. His memory exceptional, enabling him to recall and think with precision. His cognitive abilities encompassed abstract reasoning and creativity. He processed complex any information rapidly. In one word, he embodied brilliance and intellectual luminance. His achievements defied conventional expectations, exemplifying Albert Einstein's words, "The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, it is imagination, which Bharat had in abundance." Art critic Sidorova Alina of Moscow, Russia says it is difficult to see genius behind his naivety. When we see his works, it becomes obvious there is an incredible talent and intelligence hidden there. Sense of composition, scientific approach, fascinating, he said. Emotions and complexity are reflected in his masterpieces. The viewer immediately plunges into the painting and becomes a participant of the whole creative action. Shapes and lines harmonized with abstraction and perspectives, with deep color combinations, with complex refractions. Brilliant masterpieces born by Dr. Bharat S. Rajpal. The art critic Sidorova Alina is in Moscow, a critic, and Konshokava of Hermitage Museum at St. Petersburg, Alexander Konshokava, also has given a wonderful critique of Rajpal.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
No, but Bharat Rajpal, I had a journey with him for 48 years. He started at the age of 2. Yes, I saw him scribbling, doodling on his textbooks and notebooks. I saw the passion he was doing with. So I went along with him, supported him, and by the time he's 38 years old, he bags all these visual art awards. In 2019, he used to work in the nights till 3 and 4 o'clock. He used to say, I have to make a mark. I have to go beyond Picasso. He used to say. So yeah, I supported him, was with him, a helping hand. Bharat, my son, has achieved a milestone with the first of its signature art styles. With the confluence of science and mathematics, he has taken abstraction to the next level, shattering conventions and mindsets. His achievements have been heartening for me. I congratulate him, and I told him, reach for the stars and never give up. Bharat used to always say, he is the best there was, best there is, and best there will be. Believe you can, believe in yourself, I used to tell him. You are halfway there. Bharat possessed the hallmarks of high intelligence. Hats off to you, Bharat, for achieving all this. Your 38 years of hard work.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವರು ಭರತ್ ರಾಜ್ಪಾಲ್ ಅವರು ಎಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯನೋ ಅಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ. ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗಣಿತ ಇದೆಯಂತೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ಸು ಇದೆಯಂತೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಪಿಕಾಸೋ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಅದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಕಲಿಯೋದೇನಿದೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನಿಂದ.